Today we're exploring an important topic. What are the common issues with electronic locks? Let's dive in and uncover the challenges you might face with these modern security solutions, and how to address them effectively. Have you ever wondered what could go wrong with these modern security solutions? Don't worry, we're here to shed light on the most common issues and, more importantly, how to solve them. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Electronic locks are becoming the go-to solution for many homeowners and businesses. They offer convenience, enhanced security, and sleek modern designs. But, like any technology, they're not without their challenges. Electronic locks are a modern and convenient solution for securing homes and businesses. However, like any technology, they come with their own set of challenges. Let's take a look at some of the most common issues. Electronic locks rely on batteries or electricity to function. Keeping spare batteries, a backup key, or using locks with low battery alerts can help you stay prepared in case of power issues. Many electronic locks depend on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for remote access. Maintaining a stable internet connection and regularly updating the lock's firmware can ensure smooth operation. Over time, mechanical components like bolts may jam or wear out. Regular maintenance and professional checkups can extend the life of your electronic lock. Not all electronic locks work seamlessly with every smart home system. Researching compatibility and seeking professional installation ensures everything runs smoothly. Electronic locks can be susceptible to hacking if not properly secured. Using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping software updated enhances their safety. At Sherlock & Key, we specialize in diagnosing and fixing electronic lock problems quickly and efficiently. Whether it's a malfunctioning lock or an integration issue, our team has you covered. Call us or visit our website. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, electronic locks are a great investment, but proper care is key to keeping them functional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more security tips and insights. Until next time, stay safe and secure.